To survive massive energy waves and incoming projectile spam in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, utilizing super perception allows you to deflect standard super beams instead of taking direct damage. To perform this technique, make sure you have at least one skill point available, as base perception without points only handles basic physical rush combos. Hold down the circle button on your PlayStation controller to enter the counter stance. Your ki will slowly drain while you hold this position. When an opponent fires a standard super blast or beam attack toward you, holding perception can deflect those energy projectiles. Keep in mind that this specific deflection feature consumes 2 skill points, so you must manage your gauge carefully before trying to swat away heavy energy fire. However, note that ultimate blast attacks bypass this mechanic completely and cannot be defended by perception no matter how many skill points you hold, meaning you will need to dodge or vanish those specific ultimate moves instead. Subscribing helps out the channel, and enjoy turning your opponent's energy back on them.